Welcome back to my channel, gorgeous people. Hope you're all having an amazing day. How you all doing? Hope you're having a good day. Hope you're having a good week. Are you in the morning, in the afternoon, in the night, wherever you are, you're welcome. Welcome to my old and my new subscribers. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. For today's video, it's my everyday and back to school kind of makeup. It's very simple and easy to achieve. And in this video, I use the foundation by Believe Beauty by Dollar General. The foundation is $5. Oh yes, sister, yes, they got you covered. Okay, they got us brown skin girl. They covered us. Okay, just for $5. I went ahead and purchased two shades because I wasn't too sure which one is going to work for me. You all will see the rest as you continue to watch. If you want to see how I achieve this very simple look, no false lashes, I have my natural lashes on right now with some pop-up mascara here and there. Let me know what you think about this video down below. Please give me a like, please comment, please share, and don't forget to subscribe. Most important thing, turn on your notification bell in order for you to know whenever I upload. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye. So I'm a kind of a brow pomade, brow gel kind of person. So when it comes to everyday makeup, I still use the same thing that I use for my glam makeup. Okay, I hardly use pencil to do my and this is the eyeshadow that we're going to be using today. This is by Clinique. I've had this for a while now. This is kind of good for people that, you know, if you don't know where to place this, where to place that, where to place this, you can see the picture that is going to actually give you the direction. If you're just coming into makeup and you need, you know, a kind of a little bit of something on your own that you can actually look, aside from looking at YouTube videos, you can actually go into this kind of, you know, palette. So this is just a concealer. I'm not doing cut crease because I said this is everyday makeup and or back to school makeup. So I'm just using a concealer in order for my eyeshadow to pop out. So for my everyday look, you know, everyday makeup, I use my eyeliner, and at the same time I make it a little bit, you know, not dramatic. I just make it very simple, just like so. We are still coming back to the eyes, okay, because we have this bad girl that we want to try. We're not going to wear lashes, you know, for everyday makeup. That's my opinion. I don't know about you. If you want to wear lashes every day, oh yes girl, you're welcome. Wear it. Go to my website and purchase one. I just do with mascara. Okay, so we have this one that we're going to try. So these are the two foundations that I purchased by Believe Beauty as well. This one is mocha and the other one is chestnut. They retail for $5 and it's 25 ml and it's medium to full coverage. Okay, this is it. It comes with a pump, which is amazing. And see if one doesn't work, maybe I probably will mix. Okay, it is said it's medium to full coverage, so I use sponge. I'm going to use sponge on this side. We use brush on the other side. I prefer the brush application. So this is how it looks after I applied it. It gives me that full coverage. Honestly speaking, it covers real good. Any kind of color correcting or skin correcting, or I did not use any kind of concealer. I only went in right after the primer, and this is what I have so far on my face. So since it's everyday makeup, I'm just going to do, you know, I'm still going to contour or highlight, but it's going to be powder, so I don't have to set one to highlight. I'll go ahead and contour with the contour palette by Black Radiance. For blush, I'm going to be using this blush palette by Case. Let's move on to our eyes. Remember, this is first application. The more you want the length of your mascara to go, the more application you put. The most important thing is side view. Okay, maybe in the picture you guys will be able to see more, so I'm gonna go ahead and spray my entire face. I have the mascara on, okay, so let's see if it's not gonna run. Hallelujah.
Let go. Yeah. Don't know. Oh yeah.
It's the original Batman.
One time. It's a bad man thing. It's body, baby. VQs. Let's go.
VQs.
I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce.